how to speed up your Windows PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel today. I just have one tip to make your computer faster. It's a Windows computer, so you need to use the run command. In the run window, type regedit. This will open the registry. Go to current user and then navigate to desktop. There you will find an option called Show Menu Delay. Open it and change its value from 400 to 0. After that, restart your computer. Now you won't experience any delay in your menus. Your Windows computer tends to slow itself down, but after this setting adjustment, you won't face this issue. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips. Thanks for watching.